Swadikap, I'm a Pattaya lawyer, Ponthep Werachon. Today, I'm going to talk to you about inheritance tax or death tax, which will be imposed on the estate when you pass away. And the one who pay tax will be the recipient or the beneficiary of the estate. When a person dies with a will or without a will or intestacy, or the estate will be disbuilt or devolved to the heir or beneficiary. If there is a will, okay, it will be to the persons whose name mentioned in the will. Okay, but the process is the person whose name mentioned in the will to be the executor of estate, or in case there is no will, the appropriate person, which can be your children or your spouse, can apply by submitting the petition with the Court of Justice to inquire, to investigate, to verify the fact whether that person should be appointed as the executor of estate. If the court grant a judgment to appoint that person had to collect, compile, gather all the estate to distribute to the beneficiary. And in this case, the estate will be subject to the inheritance tax, which will cover the estate, which are money in the bank account, not cash, and real property or real estate, like condominium, and also stock or shares, securities, or the property estate which require the registration of the ownership. And the tax rate will be 5 to 10% of the value which is more than 100 million baht for each recipient. Okay? But it will be 5 or 10%. But if the recipient of that estate is the spouse of the deceased, the estate or inheritance tax will be zero, means no tax. But if the recipient is your children or grandchildren or your parents, that inheritance tax will be 5%. And if you make the will to bequest or give your estate to other person who never have blood relative with you, the rate will be 10% of the exceeding amount of exceeding value. I mean the value which is more than 100 million baht. And this value will be appraised and fixed by the land office. Okay? And in this case, if you give